Haley John, and this is how to live a healthy life. Whee! Step 1. Push-ups. 10 a day. I'm gonna make it one. Step 2. You gotta run.
This is for all you girls.
Step 3. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Step 4. Sit up. Ready? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo!
After your workout, gotta eat healthy. So step 5 is eating healthy. Beep, beep, beep. Step 6. To be healthy, you gotta be stress-free. To be stress-free, you gotta do your schoolwork. That means reading.
Talk to Dad later.
And those are the 6 steps to being healthy and living a healthy life. Thanks for watching.